Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
He's Ray Ferraro down at ice level. My name is James Cebulski for EA Sports, set to bring you what should be a fun one here tonight. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
A sight every hockey fan can appreciate. It's a clean sheet of ice, and we are about to get underway. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. And he slides it quickly to Kulikov. Brilliant save, read it perfectly. Takes the feed from his own end. Here's an odd man rush. Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. With the backhander!
That's close, James. The goaltender ends up beating the shooter to the post. That looks like it's a goal, but it's shut down.
Takes the shot with the stop. Malkin's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Scooped up along the wall by Malkin. Team Russia's got the puck against the half wall. Shot tipped. Russia's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. Kazakhstan's got the puck behind the net. Takes the feed in the middle of the ice. Team Russia's looking to break out of their own end. Smart read by the defender to come up with it. Tries to feed it over to Kuznetsov. Takes the pass. Moves it quickly over to Radulov. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck. Russia's ready to go on the attack. Slides it diagonally to Ovechkin. Can't get a hold of that pass. Moves the puck down low. Takes the feed. Back to the blue line. Misses wide.
Nobody's going to be able to block that unless they're way off target like his shot was.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves the puck. Carries it in. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. Denied by the goaltender.
Always been known as being an acrobatic goaltender. Varlamov makes an excellent stop there.
Anisimov's got the puck. And that one's broken up. Scoops up the puck now. Oh, catches him in the open ice. Team Russia's got the puck along the boards. And down he goes as the puck goes free. Taken by Tarasenko. Pokes it away. This quick pass across to Nemestikov. Right to the middle. Takes a shot. Under all sorts of pressure in his own end with the puck now.
Provorov's aggressive here in this first period. Nobody's got a goal, but you want to show that you're going to be the most aggressive team.
Buchnevich has won the draw. Fires it on net. Denies him with the save. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Lets it go for the back end. Shuts him down. Carries it across the line. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Quick feed to Sergachev. From off the boards, he sends it into the open ice. Here's a short pass to Dodanov. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. With possession along the wall. Russia's got it from behind the net. Moves the puck along the half wall. Grabs the puck. Nice pass. Moves the puck behind the net.
Oh, James, that's close. I thought this was in. I thought the forward was going to be able to get to the post first, but he's not. That's a really strong save.
No room right there. Gets a piece of it with the blocker. Shot. Big save by the goaltender once again. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Pass back to the point, and that sails over the net.
He's trying to get rid of it as quickly as possible, but that's got to be on target.
Kovalchuk's got it against the boards. Oh, what a dangle! Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Here they are on the attack. Team Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. Now he takes it over the line. Now a quick pass to Zadorov. With some momentum driving towards the net, and he makes the save. Looks to set up at the point now. Takes the feed. From the blue line, and that's blocked. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Picking up some steam at center ice. Moves it around along the half wall. Gets that puck back on a stick. From the boards, he takes that pass. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Scrum ensues along the boards. Puck grabbed by Zaitsev. Sidorov's got it in the defensive end. Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Comes up with the stop.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. With the stop. Knocked away. Russia's got control of it now here in the offensive end. From one-point man to another. And now he moves it quickly to Kulikov. Shot comes up with the stop. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. On the attack along the boards. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Pass to Bushnevich. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Kucherov. Feeds it down low. Point-to-point pass. And he slides it quickly to Kulikov. Lets it go. Denies him on the play. Save made by the goalie. No, sir.
Oh, he's on it there. Both saves are really good ones.
With the bank pass. Lays into the body. Receives the pass. Straight up the middle. Here they come. They've got the defense outnumbered. Sends it across. Quick shot, just wide. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Sends the pass over. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Rocks them into the boards. With possession along the wall. Slides the puck over. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Here's a chance. Kucherov's got it in the offensive zone. Quick feed down low. And that's picked off in front. Over the line they come. Moves the puck along the half wall. Oh, what a missed chance that was.
Yeah, he's got to make a better play there. He's done everything right. Now you just got to get the puck on the tape.
Great pressure, forcing the turnover. Stopped by the goaltender. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Along the wing, up the neutral zone. Lets it fly. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest.
Zadorov used all of his weight to lay this hit along the board. Really solid contact.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Kovalchuk swooping in on the attack. Lets it go from the slot. Oh, that gets a piece of the stick. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Up along the wing. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Ovechkin's going to play it against the half wall. Kazakhstan's got control of it now from their own end. Here they come on the attack. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Slides the puck to Ovechkin. Quick pass to Nemestikov. Ovechkin's got it along the wing. Sends the pass down low. Moves it to Kuznetsov. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it quickly over to Ovechkin. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Team Russia's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. A rocker off the blocker. Scores! On the rebound, he pots it.
You want money, you go to the bank. You want bread, you go to the store. You want goals, you get into the net. The rebound's there, he puts it away.
Russia's on the board first, leading 1-0.
This was hard work to get on the board here. Neither team giving up a lot, but now we got one. Maybe it'll open up.
Puck picked up in the open ice. Sends a pass over. And a bad pass, and they'll be forced to start all over again outside the offensive end. Takes the feed at center and moves up ahead. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Team Russia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. And now he tries to get it across to Radulov. From the way it's moved to center. Strong use of the body. Gets in front of it. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Handles the puck. And now it's over to Kovalchuk. Here's a pass down low. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Moves it around along the half wall. First period almost in the books here, nearing the final 60 seconds. Oh, I think he wants that one back.
Didn't miss it by much. He gets lots on it, beats the goaltender, but just wide.
Takes the puck at the point. Takes the pass. Puts it on net. Oh, great glove save. Where'd that come from?
Tough enough to make the save unless you can see it. He's got to fight his way and find the puck. Russia's had an amazing start. They've been on the body. They've got the lead, and they look like they're carrying the play.
Team Russia's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gets a hold of the puck here in his own end. Back to the point it goes. Dodonov's got the puck. Quick feed to Zadorov. And that's blocked away. Stones him with the blocker. There's the horn ending the period. I think the goaltender's breathing a huge sigh of relief as the clock turned out to be his best friend.
to rub shoulders with some of our players.
As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Team Russia's been really good so far. They're playing defense by being in the offensive zone. They have the majority of the shots and a 1-goal lead.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. On the attack along the boards. And the puck's knocked loose. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Denied by the goaltender. Provorov's got it into offensive territory. A chance in front! Big save! Russia's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Kuznetsov's won the draw here in the offensive zone and makes the save. Team Russia's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Team Kazakhstan's looking to break out. Handles it along the blue line. And here's a shot. Oh, and a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
Russia's got the puck along the boards. Takes the feed.
Kuznetsov's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier.
Here's a short pass to Nemestikov. Centering pass! And that's broken up with a stick in front. Battling for it along the boards. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. Let's get the call here. I know he doesn't like the call on this one. Nobody does, but I think he has a case here, Ray.
Well, it looked like the penalty was going to be called, and then it got sold even more so. So that's a hooking call that he doesn't really like.
Kazakhstan's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Well, you're always looking for scoring chances. You're not going to get anything better than this. A power play trailing by 1. Chance to even the score up here on the power play.
Puck scooped up by Provorov. Team Russia's got a chance to work the transition game now, shorthanded. Dumps it in. Grabbed along the boards by Tarasenko. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck in their own end. Solid hit on that play. Carries it in. Slides it back to the blue line. Scores! The power play delivers big time.
Puck moved quickly. The players moved quickly. That's a terrific goal, taking advantage of the extra man. It doesn't happen very often on the power play, but they get out on an odd man rush, move the puck around well, and score on a rush.
Kazakhstan's to even things up here to start this second period.
Nobody seems to be able to get the upper hand here. I've been really impressed with how well played this has been.
Scored on the power play.
Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line.
By number 3, time of the goal, 3 minutes, 44 seconds.
We're still in the early stages of this period. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Handles the puck at the point. Takes the feed up ahead. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
They've got numbers. And he gets the puck right back. That one's off the blocker. Here's a chance on the doorstep. Oh, and another big stop.
Nice work in there after the first stop. He's got to find the puck to save the second.
From behind the net. Here's a shot. Completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
Quick pass to Malkin. Passes the puck over to Zaitsev. Here's an odd man rush. Right in front with the shot. Scores! And the deadlock is broken.
Well, what a crushing goal to give up. But the other guys worked hard for it. They pressed the play, and now they've got the lead. Really quick puck movement always helps when you've got the extra man. The defenders just don't catch up to it, and it ends up in the net.
Russia's jumped out to a one-goal lead here in the second.
Breaking the tie was critical. Now you can play in front and try and dictate the pace of the game.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves right to the middle. Team Kazakhstan's got it now. Moves it to Orlov. Orlov stick handling in his own zone. Here they are on the attack. Slides it across. With the blast. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Team Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. Through center along the wing. Sends it in deep. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Buchnevich has got it against the boards. Kazakhstan's got the puck. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed at the back end. A chance on goal. And that one's stopped. Denies him again.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
Hammers the shot. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from?
He worked hard to find the puck, but it's also because he's in great position.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. Russia's got the momentum with a one-goal lead. They'd love to add to that. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Takes the feed. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. To his teammate. And that's taken by the defense. Trying to gain a step. He's in all alone. Explores his options behind the net. And the puck's kicked free. Feeds it up ahead. It's a 2-on-1. Sends it over. Team Russia's looking to break out of their own end. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Nemestikov. And he comes up with a big-time save on that. Puts it on net. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and makes it count.
Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there and he puts it away.
Russia's now gone ahead by 2 here tonight, and you know what? They've been the better team, Ray.
I don't think that's up for much debate at all. They've had the majority of shots, the majority of possession, and a comfortable 2-goal lead.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Can't hang on to the puck after the play. Shot! He scores! Well, when it rains, it pours.
And they are just coming out in buckets right now as they get 3 straight. Really a dominating performance. It's a bad decision by the other team as they get caught in an odd man rush, but they don't make any mistake. This is a beauty.
Team Russia's quickly filling up the highlight reel shows for later this evening, Ray.
They are, even though it's in the second period still. They have scored almost at will tonight.
Right in the open ice, that one's picked off.
Russia's had great stick positioning for most of the night. They don't have the puck. They get it back really quickly.
23 seconds.
Takes the feed at the point. Moves it quickly over to Kuznetsov. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the pass from the boards. Quick feed down low. Nice defensive robbery with the stick. Receives the pass. Sends it down low. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Russia's gained possession along the boards. And now he angles it across to Bushnevich. Here's a blast. Oh, makes the save. That was a rocket. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Sends the pass over. With possession along the wall. Knocked away. Picked up along the wall by Nemestnikov. They've got the defense outnumbered. And now he moves it to Sergachev. And he slides it quickly to Orlov. Nemestnikov's got it in the offensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Quick feed to Sergachev. Slides the puck over. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. And now it's grabbed by Sergachev. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Way too much congestion blocks that. Here's a short pass to Malkin. Sends a pass over. Quick pass to Radulov. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Skates in behind the cage. And the puck's booted away. Handles the puck. Nice pass back. Quick pass to Provorov. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Kulikov's moving the puck through his own zone. Panarin's carrying it ahead. Moves it to Malkin. Blocker save. Kazakhstan's got a hold of the puck. Into the middle of the neutral zone. Takes the pass. Too much congestion in front. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Coughs it up on the play. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Moves it quickly over to Anisimov. Right in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Sets up from Gretzky's office. Oh, and that goes wide.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
Here's a chance. Here he is, shot right in front. Locked in on that last opportunity there. Kovalchuk's got it across the line. Puts it on net. Nothing. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Handles the pass up to the middle of the ice. Takes the feed. Lets it fly. Great glove save. Team Russia's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Pushes it across to Tarasenko. And now he tries to get it across to Zaitsev. Puts the puck on net. Stopped by the goaltender. Takes it across the blue line. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes a shot, and there's the save. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. And he comes up with it.
I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Russia's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Great poise here as he gets it back. Moves it around along the half wall. And now it's over to Dodanov. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. They've got numbers. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Team Russia's ready to go on the attack. Makes the save.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Russia's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. Into the corner. Back at the point, they set it up. Near the point. Nice bank pass off the boards. Oh, that was violent.
Yeah, he hit him so hard, the people sitting right on the glass are going to sit up straight. They're scared, too.
Here's an odd man rush. Hammers the shot. Too much congestion blocks the shot. And it doesn't get better than that. Oh, he's going to be shaking his head.
Yeah, except all we would say on the bench is it sounded hard when it hit the end board.
Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Gives them nothing in front. Over the line they come. Oh, what a hit. Russia's got the puck behind the net. Up the neutral zone now. On the attack along the boards. Kazakhstan's got control of it now from their own end. Here he is all alone right in the open ice. And he misses.
Oh, you don't get many chances like that. Not able to convert. Team Russia's increased their lead as they've increased their body contact. They look like they've taken the heart away from their opposition.
Team Russia's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. Slides the puck down low. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. They're down by 3, trailing 4-1 after 2 periods.
Automobile-related pollution is on the increase worldwide. Do your part and take public transit to and from the game.
Don't go anywhere. The third period is just moments away. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. Well, this has been an absolute blowout through the first 2 periods as we get underway here in the third. Ray Ferraro is back down at ice level. Ray, 40 minutes played so far. What's been your assessment of this tilt?
Russia's able to see the finish line now. Here into the third period with a comfortable lead. Just don't start giving away chances.
Moves across the point. From against the wall into the open ice. Takes the pass in the corner. Here's a chance behind the net.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Varlamov's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Well, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized. Varlamov's made an excellent stop here. He follows the puck and shuts down the scoring chance.
Russia's on total cruise control early in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Just wide of the net.
I'm going to have to get both hands out to count the number of misses he's had tonight. What a long evening.
Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Moves the puck. Nice feed from the boards. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Orlov's got it on the offensive end. Nice pass. And he can't get it off. Gets it to the other point. Right in the slot. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Takes that pass back at the point. Sends it across the ice. Oh, what a stop!
They're working really hard these days to make sure when they stop the puck, it doesn't stay in front of them. If they can't stop it and catch it, they want that puck in the corner.
Team Russia's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that one's turned away. Russia's been a dominant force offensively. Plenty of quality scoring opportunities, and they lead it big time early in the third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Zadorov swooping in on the attack. Here's a shot, and makes the save. Quick feed to Tarasenko. Takes the feed, and a great save. Here he is with the backhander. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the two...
Scores!
James, he might as well put both goalies in the other net there. That's 4 in a row for them. Really good work here in the offensive zone. They don't score early, but they stay on it. They retrieve the puck again. They get a couple of chances. They wear them out, and eventually they score.
Team Russia's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. From against the wall, it's centered out. And he puts it wide.
You have to get it on net here. You've got a great chance to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Nears the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able to beat the goalie.
Here he is, wrists it on net, turns it away. Russia's on total cruise control early in this third period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Here they come on the attack. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. With the stop.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Russia's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Slides the puck across to Radulov. Radulov's got it into offensive territory. Back to the blue line. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Provorov. That goes off a twig. And that goes off a player in front.
Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About two things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
And now he angles it across to Panarin. Team Kazakhstan's got it along the wall. Knocked away. Great defensive stick work on the play. Now a quick pass to Radulov. Here's an opportunity. Oh, gets a glove on it to make the stop. Russia's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Hammers the shot. Log jam in front. That's broken up. Takes the shot. Maintains control of the puck. Taken along the wall by Kulikov. Pass back to the point. Shot denied by the goaltender. Team Russia's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Here's a short pass to Kovalchuk. Looks to set up at the point now. Centering pass off a stick. Kazakhstan's grabbed a hold of the puck. And a delayed penalty coming up as he got tripped up. And let's see what the call is. Kovalchuk's going off to the box for 2 minutes. Played with fire, he got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
I like what they've done on the power play previously here, and so they really want to duplicate what they've done. They have to be aware the penalty killers will probably change approach. They have to be sharp for that.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the boards. Receives the pass. With possession along the wall. Puts it up front. Snaps one on net. Wide of the net.
No, he's got to get that on target. That's a scoring chance, and he doesn't even make the goaltender make a save.
Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it in. Moves the puck along the half wall. Winds up, lets it go. Makes the save with the slapper. Russia's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Tries to make that cross-ice feed. Here's a chance, and that shot dies in traffic and manages to clear the zone. Team Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Referee's got his hand up, signaling a delayed penalty. Both sides back to even strength. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Let's see what the officials are calling. Anisimov's going to go off for a pair for charging here.
He'll be heading to the penalty box for a couple of minutes. That's a charging penalty every day of the week.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Hey, another power play for them. They've been successful tonight. I don't think they changed the script much here.
Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Another stop by the goaltender.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Team Russia's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Puck picked up by Orlov. Gets it out of his own end. Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it across the line. Picked up along the boards by Sergachev. Puts the puck on net. Great glove save. Russia's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Sends the pass over. Lugs the puck back into the neutral zone. Quick pass to Tarasenko. Power play set to expire. One last chance here, Ray.
Yeah, quick entry will give them some time in the offensive zone.
Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. And manages to clear the zone. And great hustle to come up with the puck. Kazakhstan's got it behind the net. Up along the wing. Slides the puck over. And that carries off a stick. Puck sent over to Ovechkin. Sends it to the cross side. Team Russia's got the puck along the wall. Takes the pass from the left wing. Sends a pass over. Team Kazakhstan's got control of the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Works it across to Nemestikov. Moves the puck to Zadorov. Into the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Not even close.
Not close to anything. The net's been the same size for 100 years. Along the half wall with the puck. Moved in front. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Zadorov's carrying it ahead. Fires it into the offensive zone. Kazakhstan's got the puck in the defensive end. Big-time defensive play. Malkin's picking up steam. Moves it to Radulov.
And now he moves it quickly to Radulov. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Passes on over to Zadorov. Through center along the wing. And now he moves it to Malkin. Takes the pass. Centering pass. Can't finish. Oh, Ray, and blown opportunity.
It really is. I mean, the play is sitting right there. There's a scoring chance to be had. They just don't execute it.
Russia's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. And that goes off course wide. In front, the puck stopper gets on top of it. We'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net.
Team Russia's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Scoops up the puck here. Tries to feed it across. That's a solid hit. Russia's got the puck along the boards.
He's slowly working his way to the bench. Somebody's got to get the door open for him. He's going to need some help.
Team Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Takes it across the blue line. Team Russia's looking to break out of their own end. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Centered out in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
At center takes the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes a shot and a beautiful stop by the glove. Russia's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and laid it big time late in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Team Russia's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Trying to get back on the attack now. Here's a shot. That goes wide. Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. Anisimov's got it across the line. Strong feed from along the boards. And it's a quick pass to Provorov. Can't get it to go. Big time stop. Gets a blocker on it. Long pass up ahead to center. On the attack along the boards. And that one's broken up. And now he tries to get it across to Kovalchuk. Kovalchuk's going to play it against the half wall. And that's broken up. Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. Dumped into the opposite corner. And just hitting the final minute now in regulation of this blowout. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Back to the point it goes. Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Passes right to the front. Takes a big hit. Knocked away. Moves it quickly over to Kulikov. Panarin's got it along the wing. Here's a shot. And an easy glove save on the play. Team Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Takes the feed. And the stick gets a piece of it.
That's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here. Team Russia's relentless physical play has helped them get the lead in this game.
Team Russia's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And the long-range shot goes off target. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Russia's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and laid it big time late in this third period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Quick feed to Kuznetsov. Passes it over to Kuznetsov. Here's a shot! Too much traffic in the lane. Moves the puck. And that'll close the book on this one as the final horn sounds.
Well, you look at the final stats here, James, and they had more shots on goal. They had a very comfortable lead. It seemed like they had the puck and the game in control most of the night.
They looked like a firing squad out there, and the difference was they converted on many of those. For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us, everybody. Have a great night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.